Hello, let me tell y'all why I got the hiking kit. Because one, I knew what I wanted to do with it. One, I'm going to start off using it as a small day hiking kit. Two, I have an actual project for it. And it's nice to have just some of the stuff I need, obviously. Now, don't expect it to be the greatest of quality if you decide to get it. Okay? Oh, I have barely any freaking water. 1 second. Yeah, don't expect it to be the rest of quality for what, 100 something bucks. Honestly, it's nice to know that you have a beginner hiking kit. That's honestly what it is. It's a beginner hiking kit. Like, okay, I have some of the stuff, and then, for like day hike or what have you. I do like it does come with filters, which means I could probably filter. You know? I will be keeping that little cup in there too, by the way, because I'm probably gonna use that as like a soup type thing. You know? Oh yeah, that's good water. Now, does it come with everything you might need? No. If you're a beginner hiker, that comes with just enough stuff. Now, the filter bottle does come with a little button compass. I'm also going to be using my Bot Gold bottle and having that as like a backup. Now, I got this because A, it has trekking poles, and yeah, I need trekking poles. Especially because I don't know where the one trekking pole I have that came with the M48 ops bag I got at one time. And two, I need two anyway, because like my knee has a tendency to kind of give out, like really. But plus, they do feel like they're proper, the trekking poles. The monocular looks like it will do what it needs to do as a monocular. I'm going to be putting in a small pair, the small pair of binoculars I have in I the Walmart kit I got with like the binoculars, the 1 second, I'll show you. This. Oh, is this? No, that fell off from here. Huh. That tape? Oh, I actually forgot about this. But yeah, that thing seemed bright. The one thing seemed bright. The eh, I one here is pretty bright too. I'm gonna put these in here. These are these binoculars, Niakios, and it comes with that. Yeah, these. Yeah, because one they're smaller, as you can see, and you can adjust the thing. Well, you can tell it's the Chinese because there's that. But yeah, this actually seems better, in my opinion. Yeah, you get the same thing, so whatever. Honestly, because I would have. But if you don't know what this is the bushcraft like little knife, or like little dinner knife, or steak knife, what do you want to call it? From I got in what should we call it? It is not sharp, by the way. is not sharp. I'm doing this and I'm feeling no sharpness. I can, pretty cool though. It's a neck knife if you, it's like a neck knife type thing if you wanted. Yes. I might be putting in this for cordage, just whatever. I will be putting in my I'm thinking of putting in having a tent with it, with the bag. Of course, I'm probably gonna be switching to my Amazon Basics bag, so I can, because it's more bigger and I can put more stuff in it. But that may be a little bit later on in the time. Oh, that's the that's spoon paper. So yeah, be careful. It's like not the highest quality stuff. It's like beginner quality, but that's the thing. That's all I needed. It comes to the stuff I need. Plus I have a project for it. Like eventually. I know exactly what I'm putting in there too. Because I'm making this into this type of kit. It will be a kind of kit. So yeah. Anyway, it's 100 and it's like $19, I believe. But honestly, it's honestly, if you're a beginner hiker and you're like, well, plus I think one last thing, I think it's actually worth it because look at the price of each item. Anyway, God bless and peace. God's force against us. It's been Postbox Firewall, Wasteland. God bless and peace.